Hello guys, in this video I would like to help you expand your English vocabulary so that you could communicate more effectively in English. I would teach you some advanced words that you can use instead of word very. For example, instead of saying I was very tired, you could say I was utterly exhausted. Or instead of saying it was very difficult, you could say it was exceedingly difficult. In addition, I will give you many simple sentences so that you can use these words in many different situations. Sometimes it is very cute to use this word very, but we all need to improve our vocabulary and move to the next level, right? So today let's start at least 5 new words that you can use to express yourself better without using the word very. So let's start with the phrase we use at least once every day. So that word is very sad. But instead of very sad, how about we use the word distressing? Means upsetting, causing sorrow or pain. Distressing means like distressing news. So instead of saying it is very sad to see the current COVID situation, you can say it is distressing to see the current COVID situation. Similarly, you can use form sentence like summer does not distress me. I like the sun. It is distressing to see the current state of the economy. Due to the wedding food, my stomach is in distress. I do not like John's character, but watching him die was distressing. See, just replace very sad with distress and you will get one step closer. Let's move to the next phrase which we use every day. But instead of very happy, how about we use the word thrill? Thrilled means to have a sudden feeling of excitement and pleasure. So instead of saying I was very happy to get a new phone for my birthday, I was thrilled to get a new phone for my birthday. Similarly, some other ways you can use these words. I was thrilled to receive my first offer letter. I want to stay in my country. A job in the US does not thrill me. River rafting at Rishikesh was a thrilling experience. Our next phrase is that currently describes most of the people on the internet. Very angry. But instead of very angry, what if we use the word furious? Furious means extremely angry, violent, or intense. Let's use it in a couple of sentences. I was furious. I was furious to receive a damaged product from Amazon. Parents are furious at the ever rising tuition fees. The street dogs started barking furiously last night. So guys, before going further, I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss my videos. So guys, let's move to the next phrase, which is very bad. And it gets a little tricky. These are a lot of emotions that can be associated with the word bad, like awful, dreadful, stressed, heartbroken. So here is a few ways that you can use these words instead of saying very bad. The current condition of doctors and nurses is heartbreaking and we are truly grateful to all of them for being there for us. It's awful that wearing a mask in a political debate in the US. The book was so wonderful and yet the movie was so dreadful. Speaking up on a stage in front of an audience is stressful. The crimes he committed are detestable. Note down these 5 words. You will be using these words more often. So let's end this video on a positive note with the last phrase of the day, which is very good. Just like I gave you 5 words for very bad. So here I am going to give you equally powerful words that you can use instead of very good. For example, I thoroughly enjoyed lunch. The pasta you made was delicious. Harry Potter is such a spellbinding book. I just cannot put it down. That man respects women with both his words and actions. He has a classy personality. So guys, go and use these positive words in all of your conversations. And if you guys find these words beneficial, then guys do like and share. Thank you.